You are creatives who want to do a cooperation with a company. But you also have, in all your creativity, some intellectual property on the produced content. And when you cooperate with a company, there is the question, how can we protect our intellectual property? Well, there are certain ways to do this. At first, and most important, is to know what is my creative content. So what is my intellectual property? What is it that I have done, that I have developed, and what is it that I want to sell or to cooperate with the company? Do I want to license it? Do I want to give them some shares? Do I want to give them the use exclusively? So at first, be sure, be certain that you know what you want to do with the cooperation. On this basis, the second thing is, what are the actual means of protection? If you're, for example, in Austria or in many European countries, you have the copyright law. The copyright law is something you have with the creation of the content. So you don't have to file like a trademark, you don't have to file for copyright, but you get it automatically. And this is your content, so it is your copyright, and therefore your content is protected by the law. If you want to go a step further, you can file for a trademark, it's no problem. But this would be a better idea after coming to an agreement with the company, because then you know what does the company want and what do we want, which parts, which aspects of our intellectual property we want to keep. And therefore, you can then use the rights stemming out of the copyright law or of the trademark law to defend yourself against the illegal, the unlawful use of your content, be it from the company you want to cooperate with or be it from any other people. But the main thing is, at first, you have to agree among yourselves, and then when you get to the cooperation with the company, you have to agree with the company. If you reach an agreement, do not do this verbally, but do this in a written way. So draft a contract where you write which party, you as a team of creative or the company, is able to do what. Which party has what right to use the content you developed or you produced. And this way you will never have any bigger problems with the company, with the cooperation.